Hey, hi, Amanda here, and for today's What I Eat Wednesday, I thought I would go over the snacks that came in my Vegancuts snack box this month. So let's get looking. Here is the little card that came in the box, and it usually says what it supports. This box supports Lobo, so that's the little critter on the card, and friends at Wild Spirit Wolf Sanctuary in New Mexico. It also lists out what all the snacks are on the back, but I kind of want to just go through all of them. So let's do that. So the first snacks on top of the box look like they are from the same brand, the Matzo Project. Surprisingly delicious Matzo Chips. We have a harissa brand, which it labels as sort of spicy. And we have an everything plus two other things flavor as well. So I know that Austin will not like these harissa ones. He's not a spicy guy. So let's go ahead and open these up. Taste them. They smell amazing. They're not really spicy at all. They're okay. They'd be really good with hummus actually. So, very interested in what the everything one will taste like, but also I don't want to open 2 bags of chips. But those were pretty, actually, you know what, whatever. I have clips downstairs. Let's open them. So this is the everything one. I like these better. I think because the harissa ones I was expecting to be spicy and they weren't. They were a little disappointing, but the everything chips taste just like everything, so that was really good. Next thing in the box is a package of seaweed snacks, tempura original flavor. Now this is something that I feel like would probably be a little more sensitive if opened. And I already know that I really like seaweed snacks, so I'm already excited for this. I love taking the seaweed snacks and putting them on top of little rice bowls just to kind of add that ocean flavor, I guess. So I'm excited for these. I'll probably make a meal or something and incorporate that in instead of having it as a separate snack. I'm not a big snacker, to be honest. I'm more of a meals person. Austin's the snacker in this relationship, but I really like taking stuff that we get in our box and incorporating it into meals. So I'm excited about that one. Another one I probably won't open just because of what it is, but this is the Gluten-Free Granola with fruit and nuts made with 2 ancient grains, cranberry, almond, maple. I think we can all kind of see what that tastes like. And this I will probably put aside and have with some banana and soy milk, because that sounds like it would be a nice little breakfast. I like to have granola that way personally. Like I said, I'm not a snacker, so I'm not really big on the whole eating it on the go stuff, but as a breakfast or a lunch, that'd be nice. Then we have all natural gourmet walnuts from Crazy Go Nuts. So we've got a wacky face on that little walnut. I feel like these will hold up fine if opened. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that and try one of these. Banana flavored. That's interesting. I don't know if I'd call them banana flavored personally, but just kind of like sweet candied walnuts to me. I'm not getting anything that says specifically banana, so a little disappointed, but we'll definitely eat those for sure. Next in here is from Plant Fusion, which is a brand we've gotten things from before, but not this flavor. It is their complete organic, I don't know if it's a protein powder or a meal replacement type drink, but it is a powder of some sort, and it is vanilla chai flavored. So this is probably one I would save for when I want to make a coffee milkshake, because that seems like it would be really good with it. Then we have some Fuji apple crunch dried snacks. Dried apple from Sensible Foods. Oh, this is a lot of labeling. I think we all know what a dried apple tastes like, so I won't open that and taste it, but I do like dried fruit. That is something I really enjoy when I'm in the mood for like a fruity dessert. Then we have Mary's crackers in the original flavor. What kind of vegan are you if you haven't had Mary's crackers? So we all know what these taste like. I'll probably, I have a little bit of vegan cream cheese left over. Everything cream cheese from Kite Hill. And we don't have any bagels anymore because we ate them all. So I might use these with that because I really like Mary's crackers with cream cheese. Then we have from Ocean's Halo some faux broth, or pho broth. And this is a little disappointing simply because I know for a fact they have sent this before in a previous box. So it's like not something new to me, but I will use it. I made some kind of soup or something last time with it and it was perfectly delicious. So I'm going to use it, but we've already had this. I'm fairly certain. Unless it was from a different brand, but we've definitely had pho broth before. And this last thing in here is pretty big. What is this? From Tiny Toad Creations. Oh, that is the cutest brand name. This is the Sweet Cheat Hot Chocolate. 0% sugar, 100% natural, diabetic safe. That's interesting. And this is a huge package. So here is what it looks like. There's the cute little brand. And I actually was thinking about hot chocolate the other day. Sometimes I want a little dessert or something that feels like a dessert, but I don't want to like actually chew food. I don't want something that's gonna make me feel super full. So I was thinking about hot chocolate the other day. So now I have some. So let's see. To make one serving, whisk 2 tablespoons of Sweet Cheat powder into 1 cup of warm milk. Interesting. So what sweetens it? It's got insulin fiber, cacao powder, monk fruit. There you go. Salt and natural flavors. This is interesting and exciting. Really can't wait to try that. So overall, this box, I would say, is pretty cool. This is all stuff I'm gonna actually use. I hate when they send boxes and half the stuff is peanut butter because I am not a peanut butter fan. Austin will eat it eventually, but like, not into peanut butter, but crunchy stuff like snacks, like chips and crackers. I like yummy flavored protein powders. I like dried fruit, always a fan. Seaweed snacks, can't go wrong with them. And then these Matzo Chips are gonna be awesome with hummus. I even put stuff like the Mary's crackers and chips or stuff like that on salads for a little crunch if I don't really have anything else in the house to like add that. This is pretty excited about. Honestly, except these don't really taste like banana, but they're still good. This is the only thing I'm a little disappointed about, but only because I've seen it before. Everything else I'm pretty excited about. Even the stuff, like I've seen this brand before, but I know we haven't gotten that flavor. So I'm pretty pleased. I'll just flung forward. I'm pretty pleased with everything that came in this month's box. And we've been subscribed for I think almost half a year, maybe a whole year at this point. I don't even remember. And we've really been enjoying these. So I am pretty happy with everything that came in this box. For the most part, I would say it's a successful subscription box. If doing one of my Wellness Wednesdays as a Vegancuts snack box unboxing is something you would like to see every month, please let me know because I'd be happy to do so. If you want me to really try all the snacks, let me know. I feel like some of these things we already know as a population what they kind of taste like, so I don't need to. But if it's something you would be interested in seeing, definitely let me know. And otherwise, I'm really happy with these snacks. Now I'm gonna let Austin have at it because I didn't let him touch the box at all when we got it. So if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave it down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye.